Our kidneys are vital organs responsible for filtering waste products and excess fluids from our blood, helping to regulate blood pressure, electrolyte balance, and red blood cell production. With such crucial responsibilities, it's essential to keep our kidneys healthy and functioning optimally. One way to support kidney health is through diet. Certain foods are known to possess properties that aid in detoxifying and cleansing the kidneys, promoting their overall well-being. In this video, we'll explore 5 powerful foods that can help detox and cleanse your kidneys fast. 1. Cranberries. Cranberries are renowned for their numerous health benefits, particularly for the urinary tract. They contain compounds called proanthocyanidins, which prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract walls, thus reducing the risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs. Additionally, cranberries possess diuretic properties, meaning they can increase urine production, helping to flush out toxins and waste products from the kidneys. Additionally, cranberries have antioxidant properties that help neutralize free radicals and protect kidney cells from damage. Adding cranberries into your diet can be as simple as enjoying a glass of unsweetened cranberry juice daily or adding fresh cranberries to salads, smoothies, or oatmeal. 2. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are nutritional powerhouses that offer a multitude of health benefits, including support for kidney function. These greens are rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamins A and C, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. Additionally, they are excellent sources of magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in kidney health by regulating blood pressure and supporting muscle and nerve function. Moreover, leafy greens are low in potassium and phosphorus, making them suitable for individuals with kidney disease who need to limit their intake of these minerals. 3. Berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that support kidney health and function. Their vibrant colors indicate high levels of anthocyanins, flavonoids, and vitamin C, which help reduce inflammation, protect against oxidative stress, and improve blood flow to the kidneys. Additionally, berries have a low glycemic index, making them suitable for individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance, common risk factors for kidney disease. Enjoy fresh berries as a snack, add them to yogurt or oatmeal, or blend them into smoothies for a delicious and kidney-friendly treat. 4. Garlic. Garlic has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, including its ability to support kidney health. It contains sulfur compounds such as allicin, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects that help protect the kidneys from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation. Additionally, garlic possesses diuretic properties, promoting urine production and helping to flush out toxins and waste products from the kidneys. Incorporating garlic into your diet is easy and delicious. Add minced garlic to soups, stews, stir-fries, or sauces for a flavorful boost, or spread roasted garlic on whole grain toast for a nutritious snack. However, if you have a bleeding disorder or are taking blood-thinning medication, consult your healthcare provider before consuming large amounts of garlic, as it may increase the risk of bleeding. 5. Watermelon. Watermelon is not only a delicious and refreshing summer fruit, but also a fantastic choice for kidney health. It has high water content, which helps promote hydration and supports kidney function by increasing urine production and flushing out toxins and waste products. Additionally, watermelon is rich in antioxidants such as lycopene, which help protect the kidneys from oxidative damage. Enjoy watermelon on its own as a hydrating snack, or incorporate it into salads, smoothies, or fruit salads for a nutritious and refreshing treat. Be mindful of portion sizes, as watermelon does contain natural sugars, and consuming excessive amounts may affect blood sugar levels. In addition to incorporating these kidney-cleansing foods into your diet, it's essential to maintain a healthy lifestyle by staying physically active, managing stress, avoiding excessive alcohol consumption, and limiting sodium and processed foods. Furthermore, consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications that may affect kidney function. I trust that you enjoyed the video and click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to share the video with your friends and family.